Hi, I'm Eva, your AI avatar created with Speach. Let me introduce my cartoon version.
Hi, I'm Stella. Together with Ava, we'll show you how to turn any procedure, work instruction, or SOP into a GxP training video. Imagine critical SOP, work instructions, or procedures. Dozens of pages, dense, technical, impossible to absorb. Just upload your documents, even your raw footage. Next, you define a few key parameters: target audience, training duration, and language. That's it. Your title, description, and complete learning outline are generated automatically from the approved document. If adjustments are needed, regenerate in seconds. Once validated, click Generate All Content. Now Speach transforms each step of your SOP into structured training. Visual avatars, on-screen content, and voiceover scripts are created automatically. And everything remains fully editable. Quality and L&D teams can customize avatars, backgrounds, layouts, and branding while maintaining consistency across all training materials. Visuals are generated as well. You can use them as is, upload approved assets, or refine prompts to generate compliant visuals. Full-screen images, backgrounds, everything is configurable. Every element of every slide stays under your control. Then, submit it into your validation workflow. Your approver is instantly notified and reviews the content in a fully controlled environment. Every step is automatically captured with complete audit trails, versioning, and full traceability, always inspection-ready.
Welcome to the first chapter of your cleanroom training. In this section, we'll explore why cleanroom protocols are absolutely critical to pharmaceutical manufacturing. As a pharmaceutical manufacturing employee, you have a personal responsibility for following cleanroom procedures. Every time you enter, you're strictly prohibited in the cleanroom. This includes sweaters, flannel shirts, fuzzy boots or shoes, and any other clothing that sheds fibers. Personal grooming products are also restricted. No fingernail polish is allowed in the cleanroom. If nail polish cannot be removed, or for visitors, gloves must be worn to prevent polish contamination. Now, turn on the water and begin washing. Rub your hands together thoroughly for at least 20 seconds under running water. This is crucial. Make sure you reach all surfaces of your hands, including between fingers. Now, let's cover the proper degowning sequence. When exiting the cleanroom, following the correct order is just as important as gowning up to maintain contamination control. When exiting the cleanroom, the first step is